Assalamu alaikum. Children, today we are going to learn about noun. So we all know what is noun. In the previous class you have studied about the noun. So now I will discuss you more about the noun. So first we see noun. Definition is the word that stands for the name of a person, a place, an animal or a thing is called a noun. So children, is only a word of a person, animals, places. Like if I say example, if I say about the name of a person, it's not a particular name. It's only a person like boy, girl, woman, man, servant, like that. About the place, it's city, town. It's not a particular name of the city or town or a state. Animal, dog, cat, elephant, lion. No, it's not animals. Second, things. So children, things like fan, table, like that. So it's called a noun. It's not a particular name. It's only standard word for a things, place or a person. Now see children, there are different kinds of noun also. So what are the kind? Proper noun, common noun, material noun and collective noun. So we today going to learn more about these four. First I will explain you what is proper noun. See here, the definition is a noun that denotes a particular person, place, an animal or a thing is called a noun. So here it is, it should be a particular name, specified name of a person, place, animal, thing. So for example, if I say a place name Delhi, there are many places all over the world like London, America, Delhi, Mumbai, Jaipur, Goa, etc. So it's a particular name of a city or a state, like that. It's called a proper noun. Now name of a building, Red Fort, there are many monuments are there, Taj Mahal, Red Fort, Lal Killa. So it should be a particular name, a specified name is called a proper noun. Now person name, Gandhiji, Manu, any name you can call, your friend's name like Abhay, Ranu, like different name. So basically a particular name, specified name of all these things are called the proper noun. I hope you understood the definitions of proper noun. After we'll continue this common noun. Children, so here is definitions of common noun. What is common noun? It's only a noun that denotes a name given in common to a person, place, animal, bird or things. Children, it should be not a particular name, as I explained you in the noun, that what is a noun. So same exactly the definition is that it should not be a particular name of a place of a person. It only shows that it is a person, place, animals, birds or thing. Like if we say things, flag, we don't know which country's flag. It's only telling you about the flag. It's not showing a particular name. Person, boy, girl, woman, man. It not tells you the particular name of a person, a girl or a boy. Place, school, colleges, temples, mosque. Children, it's only telling you about the place. It's not telling the particular name of the place. So that is called a common noun. Now we move to material noun. What is material noun? See, definition is a noun that denotes a substance from which things are made. So children, the things are made from any material like cotton, metal, plastic, khadi. It's called a material noun. Afterwards we'll go on examples also. Now last is collective noun. Definition is a noun that denotes a collection of person or things regarded as one group. It should be a group of collections, children. Like if we say example army. It's a group of a person who, group of a soldiers, it's called a army. Fork, a fork of a ship, a group of a ship is called fork of a ship. Album, collections of picture which you click on for mobile or a camera. It's collections of a picture, it's called an album. Bouquet, a collections of a flower. Collections of a flower is called a bouquet. So children, basically the collective noun is group of things, person is called a collective noun. I hope you understood all these kinds of nouns which I have explained you today: proper, common, material and collective noun. After this video, we will continue some examples of this noun. Thank you.